You ready to go to the pool?
Y'all gonna go swim?
Yeah!
All right.
Yeah!
Awesome!
Let's go.
Go.
No.
We'll save you dinner.
Let's go to the pool, babe.
Come on. Go get in.
Come on. Go outside.
I'm waiting on that bread. No, it's going fast.
I'm yummy. Yum, yum.
Keep going.
Hello.
You're fine. Where's your new pool? Right there?
Yeah.
Well, let's go try it out.
Not hot.
It's not hot? Is it cold?
No.
It is.
This is a big
What do you think?
one.
Does it feel good or is it too cold?
Upstairs.
Yeah, you can go up the stairs.
And fly. In the water.
Uh-huh.
Flying in the water. Flying in the water. Flying in the water. Flying in the water.
Whee! How was that? Was that fun?
Yeah.
You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's what I do. Swim in the water.
Whee! Is that fun stuff?
Huh?
Was that fun stuff?
Yeah. I do it again.
Again?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Swim in the water.
Whee! Splash.
Swim in the water. Swim in water.
Ooh, is that cold water? You want Mama to get in with you? Hey, Adeline. You want Mama to get in with you? Or you want to go do it by yourself? Are you dripping?
Swim in the water.
Alright, Mama's going to come swim with you, okay?
Mommy, a bug in here.
Okay, I'll get the bug out.
It's scary.
It scares you.
No!
You want me to get the pool cleaner and get it out?
Yeah.
Because do you think it's going to hurt you?
Yeah.
I don't think it's going to hurt you, babe.
Huh?
I don't think it's going to hurt you.
Haha, you can eat me back up. You can eat me.
Alright, I'll get the cleaner and get it out, okay?